What's up, everyone? Mike with BTCandCrypto.com. Come check us out on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, you name it, we're on it. Boom! So Citibank, check this out. Citibank is banking on blockchain-based tokenization of real-world assets becoming the next killer use case in crypto, with the market set to grow in size by up to $5 trillion by 2030. Boom. And here we are again with Brics. It's just getting worse and worse and worse and worse and worse, which I've been saying for months and months and months and months. China and Brazil strike deal to use own currencies for trade instead of the dollar. It's just going to keep getting worse and worse, and I'll prove it to you. Okay, so this is Brics versus G7. So this line down here was Brics, and this was G7. And this is where we are now. And this is where we're going to be in a couple years. Yeah. So if you don't know G7, screenshot that. And if you don't know who Brics are, screenshot that. Obviously, you can look all this stuff up on Wiki, but it's not looking good for G7. And this is pretty cool. Huge Bitcoin sign projected onto European Central Bank building. I don't think they did that. And it just keeps getting worse. Fed will have to raise rates again to help lower high inflation. Yeah, that's not good. With the bank failures and everything, they just raised the rates again. Now they're going to raise them again. What do you think is going to happen to the banks? Take a wild screaming guess. I don't know. And check this out. And you're like, what the heck does this have to do with crypto, right? Okay, so the video game industry is bigger than the box office industry by a ton. Look at that. Screenshot this and look at this number compared to this number when it was at its peak. But just look at that. So why is that a big deal? Because obviously the video game industry is now going to be on blockchain, a lot of it, okay? And why? Look at mobile. Boom. Look at how big that is. But the blockchain industry is getting into mobile gaming. And also this has a lot to do with NFTs, things like that. So the point of the story is that NFTs, gaming on blockchain, is going to get massive in the future. And I found this very interesting. Look at this. Price changes of consumer goods and services. Screenshot that and look at what's coming down and look what's going up. Interesting. So I believe this 100%. Biden administration crypto actions will have election consequences. Let's hope so, according to Cathie Wood. And look who else is backing crypto or going against crypto. Check this. So this moron is going full commie against crypto. I mean, she's just like going full Nazi. She is out of her mind. Elizabeth Warren launches anti-crypto re-election campaign. Has she lost her freaking mind? It's like she just doesn't want to get reelected, which I'm all for. But yeah, I don't think she quite grasps what's going on with the world in the future. So billionaire Mike NOVOGRATZ predicts substantially higher Bitcoin and crypto prices amid banking woes. Yeah, big time. So going back to, these people that are going against crypto, like who do they think votes for them? I mean, you have all these massive, massive, massive billionaires and massive companies that want Bitcoin and crypto, and they're going against it. It's not looking good for them. So Elizabeth Warren attacks Binance. Genius this lady is. So Binance addresses accusations from Elizabeth Warren and other U.S. senators in new open letter. So, I mean, they're just digging their own graves. Just keep digging them, please. Okay, everyone, those were the top crypto news stories for the day. Come check us out. We're on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, you name it. We're on it. Boom!